Hello guys, this is a guy from Made by TV. Yes, Made by TV. According to the backboard between Davido and Burna Boy, Davido mock Burna Boy. Say, Burna Boy, if it's short for you, show me your logo. Show me your business logo. Show me your papa logo. I take put and save. So now be the backboards media online now. You understand? Davido the mock Burna Boy. So Burna Boy can't respond. Let us say, I never get your time now. If I get your time now, my friend come out. The video tell Burna Boy say, cause Burna Boy, you're weird at the same club with the video, just enter the private jet. I tell her, say, if it's sure for you, show your company logo or show your papa company logo. Burna Boy not come show am. So now be the bad boy see the video now they dance. Anyway, just watch as Burna Boy dey take enter the flight. This Davido and Burna Boy matter. I don't know when this matter start to. And me, I don't know when it wan end. Abeg una end down. We need peace. When una wan end this una feud, Davido and Burna Boy, we no need quarrel. We no need quarrel. According to the mocking, Davido say if it's sure for you though, Davido not call anybody name o. He not call anybody name. So all this one they talk say Davido only talk say if it's sure for you, show your papa company logo because Davido papa na him get Pacific Power Holdings. You understand? So Davido papa get power company wey dey generate electricity. So papa na him get am. Power Pacific Power Holding na very big company for Nigeria. So they dey into power generation, power energy, sorry, energy generation, which is power, light. You understand? So Davido papa na him get am worth more than $2 billion investment. And a lot of people don dey buy share. So man not go there, man not go there. That one na for another talk for another day. Davido just do some write up. So say if it's sure for you, show your papa logo. You see the logo man they show for you. So now Burna Boy come talk say, okay, no problem. Burna Boy come say, I never get your time now. If I get your time, this matter I go respond to you. Burna Boy say if he get no, Burna Boy not call person name o, but na that write up maybe say the video right come out. Now the Burna Boy respond to. You understand? So Burna Boy come say, nobody should say I cross the line after the video showcase his father private jet with the company logo. The video said, put your papa logo may we see. And wetin the video talk o. The video say, put your papa logo may we see. Burna Boy come say, let me go and come back. I will get your time. Burna Boy don go. They go overseas. They go abroad for show. Understand? Say he never get the video time. When he go that tour may come back, then the backboard go start. So next weekend he go don come back. So backboard go start. Wetin he talk? Make I put wetin he talk. So Davido say, if e sure for you, put your papa company logo may we see. Now Burna Boy say, let me go and come back. I will get your time. So the video might not even be referring to Burna Boy. It could just be coincidence. Because Burna Boy dey enter flight. They say am. So now be the black boss wey be say Davido and Burna Boy. Now be the fuse may come out. They no dey call each other name o. They dey speak to the hair. When they speak to the hair for this side, the other one go speak to the hair the other side. They speak to the hair the other side, speak to the hair the other side. So na so e be. Davido papa na get Pacific Holding Companies. You don hear today? If you dey not know Davido papa company name, na get Pacific Power Holdings. You understand? They dey into power generating, energy generating, power light. Now they dey. If you don't know now, you don't know today, abi. I dey give una more update. Don't worry, update full everywhere.